Hi, welcome to this Columbus AX Anywhere Logistics product video. AX Anywhere Logistics is a mobile solution for Microsoft Dynamics AX that supports the most common processes in your warehouse. AX Anywhere Logistics helps you to increase the productivity of warehouse workers and processes by replacing inefficient and paper-based activities, reduce cost, and save time by efficiently processing each transaction as it happens. Ensure uncompromised accuracy by letting workers scan and check items at the time of a transaction. In this product demonstration, we will show you the Dynamic Screens feature in AX Anywhere Logistics. On the left-hand side, you see Dynamics AX 2012, where I created a purchase order called 149 with 3 different items. AZ106, which is a standard item, nothing special about that. CT100, which is an item with a batch number and an expiry date. And CT200, which is an item with a serial number. On the right-hand side, you see a representation of a mobile device that you typically find in a warehouse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log on through the mobile app, and I can see a truck backing up towards my warehouse. I'm going to click on Receipt Journal and going to scan IN01, which is the dock door number 1 of my warehouse. And then I'm going to click on the list of orders. And I can see out here the 149, which I'm going to select. I type in the packing slip ID of the purchase order. I confirm that it's today's date. And now I'm ready to start doing my goods receipt. If I click on the list, I can see the 3 order lines that I have. 1 piece of each. So basically, ready to start going. And I can do that by clicking on the screen and highlighting the line that I want to work with. And in this case, it's AZ106. So it comes up and verifies that it's a box of 3 flowers. I have ordered 1. I have received 0 at this point of time. So all I'm going to do is insert the quantity 1, and then I'm basically done with that item. Now the next item is TG100. So I'm going to scan the barcode of that, and it comes up and says it's a candle with lemon. And this is a batch number with an expiry date. If I have a batch barcode with that, I can simply just scan the barcode and it will automatically fill in the batch number and the expiry date. But in this case, I don't have a barcode for it, so I'm going to do it manually. So I click on the button called Manual, and then it comes up and says Taste. So what's the batch number? Let's say the batch number is 2702-1. I click on OK, and it comes up and asks if the expiry date is today. And I say no, it's 1 year from today. Pressing OK. And then, since it's a batch number, I can basically receive any quantity that I want. But I can see that in the box there's only 1. So I'm going to enter the quantity 1 and say OK. The last item is TG200, so I'm going to scan the barcode for that one, and it comes up and says this is a gold-plated candle, and then it asks me to scan the serial number, if there is a barcode there. If not, I can just, like before, type it manually. And let's say that it's 2702-0. So I'm going to say OK to that. It automatically updates to the quantity 1 because the serial number can only have the quantity 1. And since I didn't order more than 1, I'm going to say End to this and finish the order. And we'll see that inside AX, the order will change from Open Order to Received. And this means that it has been closed down inside of AX. So, just to repeat, there was the 3 items, and you could see this screen change depending on the item that I work with. This is why we have built the so-called dynamic screens, so that we let the device, or in reality Dynamics AX, define for the user what you need to enter in the solution. This way, we remove a great deal of potential errors, and we ensure the data quality is much higher. And we also ensure that the speed of doing goods receipts and stuff like that is higher than normal, because we direct the information to the user and ask him or her what to enter. This ends the product demonstration. For additional videos or more information, please visit www.columbusglobal.com.